Hey guys, this is Mrs. Cutting, and today I'm going to show you how to do a graphing picture, how to plot points on a coordinate plane. That's also what it's called. So, this right here is your graph. I'm trying to make it big enough that you can actually see it on my screen. There we go, that's a little bit better. Okay, so these numbers going across here, this is called the x-axis. These numbers going up here, this is called the y-axis. And then you have your other page that's going to tell you where to plot your points. So really these should all have parentheses around them. I don't know why they don't. That's just the way it's usually written. And the first number is your x-axis point, and your second one is your y-axis point. So this first number tells you where to go across, and the second point tells you where to go up or down. So my first point says 6, 16. So that 6 is my x coordinate, so that 6 tells me to go across to 6, and then the 16 tells me to go up to 16. So I find where those two intersect. There's my 16, down there is my 6, and I put my dot. Then I go back to my paper, mark it off. Then I have 7, 16. So I'm going to go across until I find 7, up until I find 16. I put my second dot, and then I draw a line to connect them, and that's how it's going to end up making a picture. Cross it off on here. Then I have 7, 15. So I'm going to go across to 7, up to 15, put my dot, draw my line to connect them. Mark it off on my paper. Now it says stop. That just means I'm not connecting this point to this point, so I'm going to go and work on a different part of the picture. So I have 14, 7. So this time I'm going to go across all the way to 14, up to 7, put my next dot. Then I have 14, 4, so across to 14, up to 4, and I'm going to start this part of the picture. So when it's done, it should come out looking like something. If it doesn't go so well this first time, that is okay. Please make sure you have this picture done and with you in class tomorrow, and I will see you all tomorrow.